If you are wondering if you can use a memory card slot on OnePlus 15, then the answer is unfortunately no. If you have a microSD card, then you will not be able to insert it into the SIM tray. While we do have 2 SIM card slots available on this phone in the SIM tray, the microSD card is pretty much as big as the whole SIM tray. There is simply no way to insert it into any of these slots. So if you desperately need to use a microSD card on your OnePlus 15, then in that case you should consider purchasing a memory card reader, where we can insert the memory card into the memory card reader, and then using the USB-C cable we can connect it to our phone and access the microSD card storage, which is of course inconvenient to use on a daily basis, but just in case you just want to transfer files, then this might work just fine. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.